cornstarch. No, like not like cornstarch.
Oh.
Like,
This one dito.
I think we're gonna add this one. Huh?
This one is cornstarch, pure cornstarch.
This one, guys, this is okay. We're only gonna add a little. A little, guys.
Bebo.
Allah, Allah. Sunod Diego.
Okay, we're only gonna add
Allah,
a little.
Allah.
A little.
Raha.
A little. Bebo.
Nagado ka to.
Tiny.
Nani ang ulan? Tungtong at napit kong bag.
Wala ka ba?
Oh. At year 11, guys, when it was showing science, they showed about poop and pee. And
Yeah.
that's so disgusting.
And they gave us stickers and
Yeah.
candies. I think we have to cut it larger.
Okay, I guess. Wait. Bebo. Huwag ka na akin.
Olla. Magbato dyan na. Wait lang.
Pas. Okay. Bebo. A little bit more. Wait, a little
My
bit
gosh.
No,
Dili
yeah.
na, okay.
You have to get all of it.
Look.
Wait,
Dili pa.
a
It's
little
gonna
bit.
melt.
Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Mix.
Sina?
Yeah.
No.
You have to put all of it.
Okay,
Wait, just buy another one.
Nausik na. Put the whole thing.
Yeah, help. You're not helping.
Ang kamot sa di kuasa yung kamot.
Okay. Stop. I said stop.
Ina, labi na kami.
Yeah.
Nato.
Iyawa akin. Bebo.
Akin pangbuhay.
OMG guys, look.
Mission success. Hey, you got all of it. There's no more. There's no more, bro.
Wait, we're gonna
this piece of thing.
Okay, get.
Guys, there's no more
More.
cornstarch.
You put too much water.
Nagasayang-sayang mo. Ano po?
You put too much water, Mika.
I wasn't even the one who put water.
I didn't. The one who put the water.
Ganina, okay na to. Pero di lang mo ang kuan. Guys, ganina, okay.
We need a more bigger one.
Guys, we need a more.
Sunod na lang, next time na lang mo magkuha na.
Really?
Katong dako.
At sa Saturday, ato ta sa Bohol.
Oh, wait, actually?
Yeah.
Who said?
Mika.
So,
Wait, let's just play with this for a while.
yeah, we're gonna
Wait.
sing. Oh my gosh, it's a little hard. Red love. Bonjour.
Okay, put the
No.
mango.
Wait, I know why, because there was flour in there.
Okay, just put the food coloring.
Ako ba?
Nagtuto kanya.
Okay. Okay.
Move ka mo.
Guys, look at all of this.
Wala na.
Okay.
Kami ko na yun.
It's mango.
Allah.
But,
Diego.
okay, let's mix.
Bro,
Our
it's the
hands,
mixer.
our hands are gonna be stained. What if our hands are gonna be stained?
I can shape this into a
Mama
ball.
will be so mad.
Allah. Anya!
Why? the one who planned to do this.
Dito na ito po ang
Actually, mission fail. If we add more corns, that's just gonna be a pass. But at least we can use this for toppings. True.
cloud.
Guys are so
Lalo po.
Wait, let's try to punch it. My god, it's so strong. It's actually strong when we punch. Wait, let's try to without punching. Okay, let's see if I get stuck. Nico.
Slowly
Let's see if
lang
I get
mo.
stuck. You clean the. Is it me? Hoy! That's what we get.
Yun na. Ayaw. Na,
Look what Anya did.
Na, nagtupo na mo.
It was Nico who planned it, not me.
Well, it was you who said, let's add water. Not
It
me.
wasn't me who had the water.
Okay, guys, look up.
You're the one who planned it.
Okay, guys, we're gonna put it in the freezer now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What happened to my finger, you guys? 9, 10, 11, 12,
Typhoon starting now.
13, 14, 17, 18. Anya, my finger is froze.
Dito ko bitaw ka na po.
Wait, Mama! How's she gonna get here? She's riding a car. Yeah, I know, but look at my.
Okay na na?
No, 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 there's more. See? You clean up, okay? I get to wash the dishes. Time to wash it. Time to wash it. Look by all of you.
Đây, lưng ở dưới bên đây.
Nicholas, make